Wait a minute. Car sound funny as hell. Try this again. This car sound funny. You take it to my mechanic, see what he can see with this damn thing, man. I don't know. Take it to my mechanic. Hey, T Earl up in there? They tell me to holler at him about my car. Yeah, it sounded funny. Alright. What up? T Earl's a name, but you can call me Turtle. What you got going today? I need you to check out this car, man. It sounds funny. It's been running funny, dog. It's making a strange noise. Do me a favor, pop the hood for me right quick. I'm gonna see something. I'm gonna pop the hood. Go ahead and pop the hood. Pop this hood. Let me put my glasses on so I can see. Yeah, here's the problem right here. I'm surprised you ain't seen it yet. Get around here, let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's your goddamn problem right here. All right, here's your problem right here. The Mickey Loomis chew pump, it's spitting out chewing gum noises and gunk noises. It's giving out false information to your dummy alienator. Now, your dummy alienator is connected to your debit carburetor. And the dummy alienator is making the debit carburetor thinking it's doing a great job too. But the information is not reading in the system. Now, your Mickey Loomis chew pump, it normally doesn't fail like this, but I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe you want to switch it out back to the Sean Payton system, but hey, I don't think so. You might want to go with something newer in this model of car. But a lot of times I've seen these debit carburetors, they go out real fast. They don't only last, I've seen them go out between 10 and 11 years. They go out. How much you pay for this son bitch? Man, I paid $150 million for this, man. That's too much. You should have bought a scooter. You dumb something. I mean, yeah, but the dummy alienator, it's giving information to this part right here. Now, you may want to change out the Mickey Loomis chew pump at some time, but a lot of times the Mickey Loomis chew pump is permanent. It can't be moved. Therefore, you gotta either change out the dummy alienator or your debit carburetor. It's gonna cost you. A lot of people, now I've seen a lot of people try to put a lot of stuff around the debit carburetor and the dummy alienator to make it run better, but it don't run better, boy. It just sounds a lot worse. So, you gonna keep the car or not? Because if I was you, I'd push this son bitch to the edge of the cliff and kick it in neutral. Watch it go downhill. God damn it. So, yeah, that's your problem right there. That's why the son bitch sound like when you're rolling, it sounds like a bunch of chewing gum, don't it? Yeah, and it sounds like you're giving. See, the thing is with the Mickey Loomis chew pump, they always give out the false information. They make this dummy alienator think that it's doing a great job, when in reality the son bitch ain't doing good. And this son bitch here, you might want to change this out ASAP. I'm not sure where you got this dairy carburetor from, but you might want to send it back. I know a place in Vegas that takes these pieces back if you want to send it back that way. They do it for free. Yeah. But that's your problem with your goddamn car. You got your Mickey Loomis chew pump, which ain't no good, and your dummy alienator, this motherfucker's wore out, and this dairy carburetor, I'm thinking it's done in a couple more years, so we might not even have that much longer. But like I say, if you want the car, you can keep it. It's gonna charge you a pretty penny though. But hey, if it was up to me, I'd put this son bitch on the edge of a cliff and put it in neutral and watch it go down. That's all I'm saying. Damn. I'm surprised I ain't see this shit when I lifted the hood up. Damn. Man. So I'm stuck with the dairy carbonator. Man, that was the problem? Damn. It's gonna cost me a lot of money though, dog. So, you mean to tell me the Mickey Loomis chew pump was the reason that was making that chewing gum noise when I was rolling? I go like a certain miles. It was the chewing pump. The Mickey Loomis chew pump did that. And then a lot of times the dairy carbonator, when I get to a certain distance, it stalls out on me. So I don't know if that's what that was. So man, I think I know I can get another dummy alienator. I don't know if I don't know, but they kept the dummy alternator on here, so I can't really change this out either. Hey man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have to get back with you, man, and I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do, man. But most likely I'm gonna keep it, bro. You know what I'm saying? I just love what I love, man. I'm gonna holler at you, Turl. Who that for life, bro? Damn. You wanna know what I think? Hell, I think you paid too much for it. I think the motherfucker saw you coming. They saw you coming a mile away. They got you though. Hey, but hey, it's not my money, it's your money, it's your decision. To each his own, even if it's wrong. But like I always say, if that car, you should have bought a scooter, boy. You should have bought a goddamn scooter, boy. That's what you should have bought, a goddamn scooter.